In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert sound effects to videos in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly how to find the right sound. Place it at the perfect moment, fine-tune it so it blends naturally, and export your video with everything sounding just right. Start by opening your design in Canva. If you are working on a video project, you'll see your clips on the timeline at the bottom. Make sure the scene you want to enhance is visible so you can quickly line up your sound effect with the action on screen. Next, look to the left side menu and click the Audio tab. If you don't see it, no problem. Click Elements and use the search bar to look for audio. Or open the Apps tab to access Canva's audio library from there. You'll find a mix of free and premium options, and you can preview a sound to make sure it matches the vibe before you add it. Now search for the exact sound effect you need. Type in keywords like doorbell, explosion, or click, and try variations if your first search doesn't feel right. Think about the mood and timing of your scene short. Crisp effects work well for clicks and transitions, while longer ambience fits backgrounds. Preview a few until one feels like the right sit. When you are ready, drag and drop the sound effect onto the timeline at the bottom of the editor. It will appear as an audio track beneath your video. If you accidentally drop it in the wrong place, don't worry, you can move it easily. Position the sound so it lines up with your visuals. Click and drag the audio clip left or right to align it with a moment, like a door closing or a title appearing. For precision, move the playhead to the exact frame you want the sound to hit. Then snap the clip to that point. Zooming into the timeline can help with fine adjustments. To refine it, click the audio track and drag its edges to trim the beginning or end. This is great for cutting silence or tightening the timing. Use the volume control to balance the sound with any background music or dialogue. Turn it down if it's overpowering or up if it's getting lost. Short effects usually sound best when they're clear but not too loud. Once you are happy with the timing and levels, it's time to save. Click Download, choose MP4 video, confirm your settings and export your video. That's it. Thanks for watching.